Hello to all our esteemed viewers. I extend my heartfelt gratitude for your support and for taking the time to engage with our content. For our new viewers and subscribers, a very warm welcome to our community. I am thrilled that you have joined us, and it is our honor and privilege to spend this time with you. And we deeply appreciate you dedicating your valuable time to listen to insights that will truly enhance the quality of your life. Today, I want to talk about the importance of maintaining high quality content on our YouTube channel. In today's digital age where information flows rapidly and audiences rely heavily on online content, the responsibility of maintaining high quality and responsible content on our channel is paramount. Our channel aims to serve as a beacon of reliable information, providing insights that are ethically sound and are as accurate as possible. To uphold this commitment, it is crucial that certain topics are deemed as taboo and we will exclude from our channel content. By establishing clear guidelines on taboo topics, we aim to build a community that values respect, understanding, and thoughtful discussions and discourse. As content creators, we yield significant influence over our audience. And with this influence comes the responsibility and duty to ensure that the information that we disseminate is not only accurate but is also safe and respectable. Our viewers trust us to provide reliable content that is informative, educational, and is also entertaining without crossing boundaries that could lead to harm or misinformation. So, as part of this endeavor, we are going to taboo five topics. Number five is cosmetics and chemicals. Our decision to ban discussions about cosmetics and chemical related products used for skin, face, or hair stems from a commitment to ethical responsibility and the well being of our audience. We recognize the significant influence that our channel holds and we aim to prevent any potential misinformation that could arise from these kind of topics. The main concern lies in the complexity and potential risks associated with chemical products. Discussing such items without proper knowledge can be highly unethical and potentially harmful. The misuse or misunderstanding of these products can lead to severe health issues, including allergic reactions, skin damage, or long term health effects. It is imperative to avoid promoting or discussing these topics to prevent misinformation and ensure the safety and well being of our audience. Moreover, the beauty industry often represents products with exaggerated claims, creating unrealistic expectations amongst consumers, and they're driven by marketing and their financial goals. By refraining from covering such topics, we want to ensure that our content remains honest and grounded in reality. Our channel strives to be a reliable source of information free from sensitization or misleading promises. Another crucial aspect is the ethical obligation we hold as content creators. We strive to provide safe and responsible information to our audience, and discussing cosmetics or any chemical products without adequate knowledge, wisdom, experience can be highly unethical and potentially harmful. In an age where information is flowing freely and instantaneously, it is our responsibility to maintain a safe, neutral, and positive environment for our audience. Number four, dietary supplements, vitamins, or protein powders, or any products that are again chemical and related to health supplements. While these products are increasingly prevalent in the wellness and fitness industry, they are not without taking risks. And the use, misuse, overconsumption, and reliance on these products without proper medical guidance can lead to significant health issues. One of the primary reasons for banning these topics on our channel is the potential for misinformation, misunderstanding, as well as not being experienced or qualified enough to provide any guidance related to this topic. Despite our best intentions, discussing supplements without a thorough understanding and expertise can lead to incorrect recommendations and advice, and this misinformation can adversely affect health of our viewers, including nutritional imbalances, deficiencies, or even toxicity. So, in the absence of professional medical guidance, viewers might be inclined to make uninformed decisions about their health, which is something we aim to prevent. Moreover, any promotion of any supplements, vitamins, or protein powders can create unrealistic expectations about their benefits. While these products may be beneficial when used correctly and under the guidance of medical experts, they're often marketed with exaggerated claims, just like cosmetics, and could result in health related issues. By excluding this topic from our channel, we plan to uphold our commitment for creating a safe, neutral, and positive environment. Our viewers can trust us, and the content we share is well researched, reliable, and free from the pitfalls of misinformation. Number 3, news. Why we choose not to discuss news related items on our YouTube channel. In the realm of digital content creation, the selection of topics for discussion is a crucial aspect of maintaining the channel's integrity, audience trust, and overall mission. Our channel has made a conscious and deliberate decision to abstain from covering any news related items, including sports, entertainment, fashion, or major events that occur due to natural calamities or man made causes. This decision stems from our commitment to fostering a safe, neutral, and positive environment for our viewers. Generally, news related to sports, entertainment, fashion, or major events, it always comes with a heavy dose of sensationalism. Media outlets frequently emphasize the most dramatic or shocking aspects of a story to capture audience attention. And this can lead to a dissemination of misinformation, speculation, and half baked truths. By avoiding news related topics, we want to ensure that our content remains factual, reliable, and free from the pitfalls of sensationalism. Our viewers should be able to trust the information that we provide is well researched and accurate. We want to prevent any spread of unverified information. Our decision to avoid news-related content ensures that we do not contribute to spread of rumors or unverified claims. Our channel was founded with a specific mission and vision in mind, and deviating into news coverage could dilute our brand identity and distract us from our core objectives. And by staying true to our original content focus, we can contribute to building a loyal and engaged audience who share our interests and values. And this consistency strengthens our channel's identity and sets clear expectations for our viewers. Our channel, it thrives on the engagement and interaction with our viewers. News-related content can sometimes polarize audiences and lead to heated debates or conflicts in the comment section. And by focusing on non-news topics, we create a more harmonious and positive community where viewers can engage in constructive discussions and share their thoughts without any fear of conflict or confrontation. News coverage can sometimes be influenced by external agendas, including corporate interests, political parties, or other entities. And our commitment to avoiding news-related topics helps us maintain our independence and avoid being swayed by external pressures. We remain true to our mission and values, ensuring that our content is clearly created solely for the benefit and enjoyment of our viewers. Number 2. Politics. Banning politics from our YouTube channel, the pros and cons. Politics is a subject that can evoke strong emotions and divide audiences. Our decision to ban political content on our channel is driven by commitment to maintaining a neutral, safe, and positive environment for our viewers. By excluding political content, we aim to foster a more harmonious and inclusive community where viewers can engage in constructive discussions without fear of confrontation. We want to maintain neutrality and objectivity, and we want to avoid any content that will disrupt these two objectives. Political news can be a significant source of stress and anxiety for many individuals. And by focusing on non political topics, we provide our viewers with a safe space to relax and enjoy our content without the emotional burden that political discussions often carry. Similar to the topic of news, we also want to prevent any spread of unverified information. Political news is inherently very time sensitive and can quickly become outdated. And by steering clear of political content, we ensure that our videos maintain relevance and timelessness, allowing our viewers to return to our content months or even years later and still find value in the information provided. Political discussions generate high levels of engagement and interaction. By banning political topics, we might miss out on the opportunities to attract viewers who are passionate about these issues and want to engage in meaningful conversations. But we are not ready to take on this burden on ourselves yet. And also, we believe that politics is something that is a very personal issue and it varies from country to country, from region to region. And because our channel is a global channel, it is not relevant for us to engage in any kind of discussions related to politics. Our commitment to avoid political content helps us maintain and trust of our viewers. And by focusing on topics that are less susceptible to misinformation, we ensure that our content quality remains credible, reliable, and of top-notch quality. The number one topic, religion. Religion is a very personal and often sensitive topic that encompasses a wide range of beliefs, practices, and traditions. While our YouTube channel aims to provide engaging and informative content, we recognize the importance of maintaining a neutral stance on issues that can be polarizing or controversial. And that is why we have decided to ban religious content from our platform. Discussing religious matters requires a profound understanding of theological concepts, diverse perspectives, and historical context. Our team may not possess the necessary expertise to offer in depth or accurate analysis of religious topics, which could lead to the dissemination of incompetent, incomplete, or biased information. Misinterpretations or inaccuracies regarding any religious content can result in unintended offense or controversy amongst viewers. One of our core values is to foster a respectful and inclusive environment for all our viewers. Religion is a topic that can evoke strong emotions and differing opinions based on personal beliefs. Religious discussions have the potential to ignite debates and conflicting views. These disputes can detract from the positive atmosphere that we strive to cultivate on our channel. By avoiding religious topics, we reduce the risk of inadvertently spreading any false information and uphold our commitment to delivering trustworthy and high quality content. And this is one of the reasons why you will see that our channel will never wish on any religious occasion, simply because we do not have a comprehensive list of all the religious festivities that are celebrated across multiple countries around the globe. The only wishes that we would publish on our channel would be for New Year's, which is a more neutral and globally celebrated occasion. But from the depth of our heart and from the best of our intentions, we wish each one of you the best during each one of the celebrations that you engage in your personal life. Our pledge to avoid religious content also helps us maintain the trust of our viewers. Trust is the cornerstone of our relationship with you, and safeguarding it is of paramount importance to us. Our decision to ban religious content is rooted in our dedication for creating a safe, neutral, and positive environment for our viewers. We believe that this strategy not only benefits our viewers, but it also strengthens the integrity and identity of our channel. So here you go. This was the list of our 5 topics that we are banning from our channel for now and forever. And with that beautiful thought, I would like to chant my favorite mantra, Lokaha Samasthaha Sukhino Bhavantu. The translation of which means, may all living beings on our planet Earth be happy and free. Before we end, a quick update for our May 2025 contest. Contest 1, give me one name that I should add to this list of taboo topics. And contest 2, give me one name that I should add to our list of taboo topics. And the reason why I'm splitting these two up are because each contest 1 and contest 2 are for $50 each. And if you give me 2 correct names, you would win $100. But if you give me even one correct name, you would win $50. So it would be one person who wins for contest 1 and one person who wins for contest 2. But if you are giving me 2 correct names, you could be the one person winning both contests. Please provide your answers under this video. And the last date for giving your answers would be May 25th, 2025, Pacific Standard Time, midnight. And with that beautiful thought, I bid you all farewell. Thank you and goodbye. Here is a link to one of our other videos that I believe you will enjoy to watch. Please continue to watch our videos and gain insights to better the quality of your life.